Okay, Badger, since this van's so hot, I think we need to cool it down, make it a convertible, huh?
I think absolutely. Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Ready?
Let's go with it. Uh-oh. Don't let that bitch come back. Hold up. And let her go. Convertible. Huh?
We do custom conversions on all kinds of vehicles.
Ah.
If it's not a convertible now, we can take care of it. Don't worry about that.
Yeah. Yeah. Seats? Let me have a seat in here. What do you think? Huh?
Yeah, it's comfortable now, isn't it? Much
Hey,
cooler.
Nothing but the air, man. Let it blow. Blow, baby.
Badger's stacking the trailer full. Badger, tell them what it's all about.
Huh?
Tell them what it's all about, your stacking game. How you're just telling me.
Oh, yeah, yeah. See, if you in order to get this thing loaded and get as much weight as possible, you got to do it just absolutely correct and right. Can't have no fucking around and yang and yang, yang and yang, yang, yang. What Nike say? Just do it. Get this motherfucker done. Come on, you bitch.
Ben's got all the doors, the roof, the hood. He's got it all on there pretty good. Plus all this light tin from yesterday at the HVAC pickup, that's on there too. Okay, well I thought Badger was gonna be more exciting than that, but he must be in go mode. Oh, you're just ranting about how, oh, I need to see this and look at me stack and this and that, and now look at you.
Fuck you.
Quiet as a church mouse. There you go, Badger, back up and tell them what's going on.
Okay, here we go. Y'all remember the convertible that we created this morning? You see it? Here it go right now. Getting ready to go on the side. Look at this. Wow. Look at the kit. There it is. Okay. Okay. Hey there. Looking good. Looking good. Hey, I see some shit in here. This.
Got it, Badger.
Look at this.
Yeah, hot enough it melted the drive shaft right out of it. Aluminum drive shaft.
Aluminum.
Yeah.
Oh, bitch, can you pull out here?
Anyway,
Huh?
two nice cats.
Oh, this one will come out?
Sometimes there's a third one in line, but this one didn't have it. So we're gonna take the body mount bolts, torch them off. There's 6 or 8 total, and then the frame, motor, transmission, rear end, etc. will come down separate from the body. Then we'll match the body with the backhoe. Okay. The Badger is in action with an extremely dull Sawzall blade.
Yes, it is.
Vince, how's that working for you?
This motherfucker ain't doing shit.
I got a new one in the truck. Vince is trying to get his clean aluminum drive shaft, so he's trying to cut this. No, you just got to cut like halfway through, and then we'll hit it with the hammer. Cut right here.
Bitch ain't even cut that.
I see. Well, that's thick as hell right there because it's the 2 pieces welded.
And so is that right up there.
No, I'm just saying cut it halfway through, then
Yeah.
we'll hit it with the sledgehammer. Yeah.
If we can hit it.
Badger's hard-headed. His head's harder than that damn backhoe bucket. Okay. 20 minutes later, we'll catch back up with the clean drive shaft. Here you go, Badger.
Already then. And here we go again. Now, we are showing you how you divide a vehicle. This is what you do to it. You see this? Hello? See that? Look at that. Did you see that? Did you see that work? See the frame just come apart right from the body. Oh yeah, I guess you're wondering what happened to that fucking van. Well, now you see it, and in about another half an hour or so, you won't.
It's like the parting of the seas, Vince.
Right.
Separating the body and the frame.
Absolutely. Did you see it?
Number 1 steel, tin.
Right.
Nice. Mash it up.
Oh. This be us in action. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah? Hey! Huh? You want to put some hair around that?
Yeah. Too tight, it keeps pushing pushing me out.
Oh, yeah. My comment. My comment. Did you see that? Did you fucking see that? Huh? How'd you like that? That's what we do. That's what we do.
Now
Yeah.
mash it with the backhoe vents.
Oh, as I was saying once before, now you see it, and now you fucking don't. It's about time. Yeah, she's getting ready to get demolished. See ya. Oh. Look at the Bobcat in action. See Jimmy doing his thing? Do it, Jimmy. Jimmy got it. Look at that. Look at that. Told you Jimmy can do it. Jimmy can do this. Do it, Jimmy. Hot damn. Look at that. That goddamn Jimmy. Y'all remember that van, don't you? Isn't that something? Isn't that amazing? Look at that shit. Yeah, that's the goddamn Bobcat and the Badger at work. We don't be bullshitting. We gotta do what we gotta do. We get shit done immediately. Yeah. Get him, Jimmy, get him. Ouch, ouch, ow. God damn, Jimmy fucking him up. Ouch. That's enough. That's enough. Okay, guys. That's all the fun for now. We'll holler at you. Now talk to him.
No, you're supposed to tell them what's going on. There's nothing to it but to do it.
I did.
That's it.
I said, look at Jimmy can do it.
Frames over there. Body's here. That's it.
That's
Dunzo. End of story. Badger's going to give you guys a up close and personal look of how we get the wiring out of the dash.
Yeah. I want you to take a look at this windshield. Looks like it needs to be replaced. What do you think? Absolutely. Ah, yeah, that'll take care of that. Look at that. Look at that crap. Man. That's pretty good. Pretty damn good. That's excellent. Look at that. I have to snatch this glass out of the way. But we don't worry about that.
You get it pretty good? Oh yeah, look at all that wire you can get.
Look at that. Where's the
big one? Okay.
A goddamn few dollars. I keep telling you that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Show them how we're gonna separate the waters again.
Oh. Well, here we go, guys, on the
Why don't you back up here?
pickup this time. We're on a pickup truck. And the same thing as the van, except this one should just push right on away. There's old Jim Bobcat. There it is. Wow, look at that. Did you see that? You see that shit? That's the shit we do. Now watch the cab explode. Boom. Whoa. Oh my God, look at that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, something's got us. What the fuck? Get him, Jimmy. Jimmy can do it. Watch. Watch Jimmy get it. Bobcat, Fuck him up. There. Smash that bitch. Hit him. There y'all go. Roll on down the fucking woods then. Get going. Hey. You see that work? That's work. Ah, look at the bobcat getting. Hey, there's a ball we can use. Absolutely. Did you see that shit? Uh-oh. Bobcat is doing it. Ah, we got something hung up on us. There it is. There we go. Now we are cooking. Look at the bobcat. Get out of there. Oh, we're gone, Frank. Let's see here. We could use this ball. Well, there's another one bites the dust, guys. We're gonna fucking crush this one too. We're gonna crush both of these, and then that might be it for today. What you guys think? We've been out here long enough? We've been out here since 7 this morning. I'm about fucking shot. The badger said, fuck this. I had a fucking enough. Yeah.
Badger, we gotta drag us out of here so we can mash the cabin bed up.
Right. You gotta get this out.
See if Silverado can do it. You hold it just like that.
Let's see if the Silverado can pull this body out of here. It's 4x4. Let's see what Chevy got. Uh-oh. Silverado, look at it. Oh my goodness. That's all right. Y'all laugh at our shit, but look at him. Look at him. And he's pulling it like it's nothing to it. Look at him. He's in the damn demolition derby. Did you see that? Oh, frame running. Did you see that Silverado? Did y'all see that work? Look at it. It ended up perfectly. Now all we gotta do is get the damn tires off it. And here'll be another one ready to go.
It wouldn't have spun, I just had to make it do it.
Oh, you did do it.
Hey, this is gonna be the end of the video. Here's Badger. Narration.
Alrighty then. And here we go again. We're a minute hard at work. And you see it? Uh-oh. Half of it, now you don't. Ah. Oh, shit, you see it again. Damn it, Jim. Wow. Look at that. I'm gonna have to start calling the bobcat tobacco. Yeah, it's pretty good for that thing. Do it, Jimmy. Jimmy can do it. Jimmy can do everything. Do it, Jimmy. Fuck you. Easy! Easy! Ow! God damn it, man. Damn it, Jim. Hit him. Ouch. Bada.
Okay, this will for sure be the end of the video. I've been neglecting a brake issue on the Warhorse, so I figured I'd just share it with you. That's that's what's left of the caliper right there. And for anybody that doesn't know what they're looking at, a caliper has two flat sides to it. This is the inside for the inside brake pads to grab on, and in between are cooling fins, and then another flat piece like this for the outside brake pads to grab on. The outside flat part is obviously completely gone, so that's super neglect. And then the brake pad, you can see it there. The piston that pushes the brake pad in and out is pushed out and stuck out, and the brake pad's been dragging and dragging, and this has a pretty deep groove in it. But all right, that's the end of it. We're fixing it today. Say bye, Ace.
Bye.
That's much better. Now it looks like it's supposed to. New rotor, new caliper, new pads. Good to go. Thanks for watching. See you all next time.